All right, you cool. First order of the day. Good afternoon. We at the salons to drop off. Yeah. Shit. That's a lot of shit I got to carry.
So there I have Starbucks, I have McDonald's, out in there.
Oh, that's me. Thank you. Yeah, that's the corned beef. Appreciate you. That's cool. You ain't gonna really know what the fuck you want, you know? You got to give him a straw. What color you trying to go? Gotta go. Always give him a straw. Alright, little crew. Second order of the day. I did miss one. I ain't gonna lie. $8 order. I should have taken. Okay. Taco Bell. But we had Logan's. Roll House. $14. However many miles. Grubhub. Get it, let's go. Grubhub can help us much. I'm using it much more. Alright, little crew. Got the $14 order drop off. Got the drinking pool in the back. And then we got the bag in the front. Passenger seat to be exact. Alright, Joe, we at Walmart. I don't know how to do this. Check in with the app, we'll be right out. Man. Yeah, I'm gonna get out. He just walked right past me and shit. Yeah, I'm gonna go check in. Hey, bro, I got an Uber pickup. Who do I check that in with?
Were you?
Real cool. $15 Uber each order from Walmart in the city. Make sure you watch your back. Couple bags I didn't have to shop for.
An hour later.
All right, we here. Oh shit. Grubhub. Guess I have to. We here, cool. Now I have been here before. But let's see if this is it. I don't think it's packaged. I think it's in the bag. Yeah, it's in the bag. We're gonna try this one out. It's a bin. Back here in building 600. Oh, I think they put the light on this time. It's about time. Nope, and I was mistaken. Completely wrong. Okay, yo, cool, yeah. Oh, that's what that was. Jimmy fucking Road, Grubhub. Alright, y'all. Grubhub, I got some water. Hey, hey. Good. You are. Well, Happy New Year. Oh. I said Grubhub, y'all. My bad. I mean Uber. That was an Uber Eats. $19 order from White Piazzas. Beautiful room, what up, though? Got a Grubhub order for $10 for Rudy's. Hey, how y'all doing? Oh, it's good. Pretty good.
Thanks. Take care.
You was
Okay,
Happy
happy
New Year. Same to you. Thank you. Bro.
You see, I remain the same with success on the brain, turned all pain into motivation. I can't be without it. Told you my plot and you doubted. Someday I will write my own ballad, and if you're featured in it, it's my way of saying thank you. So, I've changed.